My background in hospitality.
That's actually a long answer.
I worked at McDonald's for how many years?
She embodies the community in Vancouver Community College.
Flight attendant. I was a flight attendant for a while.
She's a professional.
I've done the front of house.
She's a leader.
The back of house.
She helps the students strive to be the best that they can be.
I've had all my training here at VCC. So I'm an alumni since 1988.
And she doesn't just push them, she demonstrates all those qualities, and students really admire and respect her for that.
I just keep coming back to learn more from VCC.
With external community, Helen has done a tremendous job working with the local population on making sure that they have food initiatives and working very closely with those in need. She works closely with the different departments. And one of those stories is that she worked with the food insecurity project that took place here at VCC, and she was extremely instrumental in helping those students.
Community contribution means paying it forward. What I've received in the past was a lot of faith from my mentors, and now it's me sharing real life experiences, whether it's taking them with me to events, having them work with me. This is the greatest resource, right? Like, what better place to get your workers than at the school right from the start?
She has mentored students who felt lost, didn't know where they wanted to be in their career or in their lives, and she basically took them under her wing and worked with them on developing their skills that they needed in order for them to be able to be successful.
Putting all that together, I think she really puts VCC on the map and shows the community that what VCC is about and what our program is about and what real hospitality is. And I think out of that, students get jobs as well.
Receiving this recognition, that means people are noticing that I'm doing this kind of work. Once that people know that I'm doing this kind of work, they actually come to me and ask for more. I'm the resource girl. Helen, do you have people that can come and work at our place? Do you have any volunteers for us so that they can get first pick at our students? I'm so thankful, grateful for my experiences here at VCC. My volunteer work at VCC when I was a student as well as an instructor right now has been so valuable, not only for me, but also for me to pass on to my students.